Welcome to Aviation Technical Solutions Troubleshooting for the Falcon 900 Anti-Skid. This is part 3 of 4. Read and understand the maintenance manual procedures and precautions before you do any of this troubleshooting. You can download a PDF troubleshooting guide at av-ts.com. In the PDF guide, you have a drawing of the 2CGA and 2CGB plugs. In this video, we'll be using a breakout box to speed the troubleshooting.
Okay, we'll start with a resistance check on the all 6 of the anti-skid transducers. Right now, I do have the anti-skid amplifier unplugged. Okay, so we're only checking the wire harness here to the airplane and the anti-skid transducers themselves. Okay, so first of all, let's just go to ohms on our voltmeter here. And then let's just go right to, for example, a left outboard, and that shows to be reading 513, which is a little low, but low is good in this system, high is bad. So, and then we can just, pretty quickly we can move around the airplane. Let's go to right inboard, and we'll see 676, which is right in the middle of the range. Let's go to nose left, and we'll see 641, which is right in the middle. We will notice that the dual braking card parallels from this connection right here. So we do unplug the dual braking card in the nose of the airplane so that we're not measuring the transducer and the dual braking card. We can go right around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transducers quickly and do a quick initial check on them. So let's look at incoming power. Let's go ahead and set to DC volts. Okay, and what we'll be really cautious to observe here is that our incoming voltage comes from the circuit breaker, through the landing gear handle, through the brake select switch, and while we're doing various tests, we want to make sure that we get nice hard 28 volts. If this dips at any time, it's very likely to be resistance across these switch contacts up in the cockpit at the hydraulic brake selector switch. Okay, this time we're going to look at the nose gear test voltages. Let's go ahead and set our meter to DC volts. Let's go ahead and pin into the nose gear. Okay, and we don't see any voltage now. Okay, go ahead and press your anti-skid test, and we'll see it goes immediately to 5.1 and then drops away quickly. Okay, this time we'll look at the VMEM decay test. Okay, so we're going to go to a ground, we're going to go to VMEM, and what we see here is about a half a volt. Okay, go ahead and push your anti-skid test. We'll see it pop right up to 1.5 and then gently decay back towards, say a half a volt. Let's push that once more. Okay, the test brings it right up to 1.5 and then it gently decays away to, say, 0.5. That's VMEM operating correctly. Okay, let's do a landing gear weight on wheels logic circuit test. We'll go ahead and move to DC volts. We'll go ahead and look at weight on wheels. This is going to be ground here. Okay, and we'll go ahead and see 0 while the airplane is on the ground. Okay, go ahead and pull your landing gear control breaker. Pull landing gear control breaker. That puts our weight on wheels logic to air. We see 27 volts. That means this circuit from K to U is open and working correctly while the airplane is in the air. Okay, we'll do a nose gear integrity check. Let's go ahead and move to continuity on the meter here. Okay, just so we'll have a little beeper function. Okay, just pick up any ground. I'll just pick one up off the unit. Okay, and then let's go to nose wheel integrity. It'll ring, say, an ohm to ground is fine. Very, very important that we go to the nose gear, move the nose gear harness around, and watch this and listen to this and see if we can find an intermittent connection on this ground, pin A, which should run through to the nose gear to a ground lug, and that's called nose gear harness integrity check. Okay, This time we'll do a shielding test. We'll go ahead and move our voltmeter to continuity there. And the shielding, just as it's drawn here, okay, as long as the unit's not plugged in, the shielding just has to be open, okay? It cannot go out here. It cannot go out here and touch these wires. The transducer wires must not go to ground. Okay?